Already 12:03. Damn, time passes by so fast. Well, hello guys. Welcome to another video. Oh, look at J-Hope chilling right there. Hi baby. I love him. Anyways, back to what I was gonna talk about. So today I just decided to cook, although it's really hot, and I'm planning to do some potatoes again. I'm going to do them with some tofu, extra firm by the way. Make sure they are firm, make sure they're nice and soft. And then you're going to be needing a tube like this. I guess this is a tube. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's basil leaves. You need some of that, and then you'll need some salt-free seasoning. Has all kinds. By the way, these two seasonings, they're just $1 in the Dollar Tree, so you know you don't have to spend $100 for something like that. And then you're going to need a gluten-free soy sauce. It could be any soy sauce really, but I decided to go gluten-free. You know, I don't know why. I just put my little thing to boil. I'm about to put some Himalayan salt, so I will see you guys in a bit. So I'm not sure if you guys know what a Himalayan salt. I'm actually talking about the pink Himalayan salt. They're really good. It's better than the table salt that we have at home. It's healthier. Infinite Waters from YouTube, he actually showed us. Hold on, let me open this thing. He actually told us that these salts are pretty good. So, but I'm just gonna take a little bit, that, and put it in my boiling water. So, I'm putting the oil to heat up, and then I'm gonna put in the tofu that I have crumbled up already. You always need good music when you're cooking. The tofu is ready. It's kind of brown, which is amazing. And I prepared a salad for me. I love kale, and I always have some kind of green in my meal. If I don't, then that's because I don't have any kale or lettuces or anything. But I cut up some cabbage. Okay, so I added the tofu to the kale and cabbage. Now I'm just gonna add in my potatoes into this plate. Okay guys, so this is the potatoes. I've added the yellow stuff is nutritional yeast. Like I've said before, this is really good for vitamin B12, especially for us vegans. And I also added to the tofu and kale salad. Alright, so this is all. It kind of looks like tuna, doesn't it? But it doesn't taste like tuna. It tastes kind of like chicken, kind of. But alright, this is it guys. This is the full